What's up, my beautiful jazz hands? Welcome back. Today we're going to be creating our very own setting spray. I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys. Setting sprays can be so expensive, and if you've been watching my channel for quite some time, you guys know that I love to save me some coin. This is something that is very quick and simple. Anybody can do this, and it is going to keep your makeup in place all day. So if you want to see my do-it-yourself setting spray, keep watching. Before you guys get all cozied up, make sure you click that subscribe button, become part of the Jazz Hands family, and also click that notification bell so you can be alerted every time I upload new content like this. Let's make some setting spray, y'all. Let me give you the full rundown. I have 2 cups of distilled water here. I have an 8 fluid ounce glass bottle that is empty. Nothing is in this bad boy. I also have my measuring spoons, my favorite rose water and toner from the brand Advanced Clinicals. I trust this brand so much. This rose water and toner has made a huge difference in my skin, as well as the Dickinson Witch Hazel. I love this as well. This is also an amazing product. Of course, all of the products that I'm talking about today are going to be listed in the description portion below. I have 2 miscellaneous items here. Feel free to add these if you wish. I have my favorite loose highlighter from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I also have a very small funnel that is going to be really useful when I apply my liquids and products into this glass bottle. So now let's get into creating the setting spray. Using a toner is helpful to create balance on your face to make your skin appear very even. Rose water is great to add some dewiness. It's going to make your skin look vibrant and radiant and very, very healthy. And when you add the witch hazel, this helps to absorb oil, and this is going to help keep your makeup in place. So right now I'm gonna put the funnel in my glass bottle. I'm gonna get a tablespoon of the witch hazel, and I'm just gonna apply that right here onto my measuring spoon. And we're going to add this to the bottle. And now we're gonna take the Advanced Clinicals rose water and toner, and we are also going to add a tablespoon of this as well. Next, we're going to put in our distilled water into this bottle. Now this setting spray is good on its own, just like this if you like. This is going to be the perfect setting spray for your skin, but I want to be extra and I'm going to add my loose highlighter because I want this to be extra dewy on my skin. Just to add a little extra glow, because your girl is extra, you guys know that already, I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place loose highlighter as well. This one is in the shade Cleo, and oh my god, this is absolutely amazing on the skin. I think I added a little too much loose highlighter. All right, and then we're gonna mix her up. This is going to hold your makeup in place, going to make your skin look really dewy and radiant. And look at that, I have so much setting spray right here. This is a little bit over 8 fluid ounces, and of course I can make as much of this product as I want. Look at this. For this to be a Cover FX setting spray, this is about $23. I made this for a fraction of the cost. And on top of that, I can continue to make as much as I want because this has a lot of product in it. So does the Advanced Clinical Rose Water and Toner. This is going to be way better for your skin. And as I mentioned, you do not have to add the loose highlighter. You could just use the 2 products and distilled water, and it is just going to be very, very perfect on your skin. It's gonna hold your makeup in place. So there you have it, y'all. This was so quick and easy. As you saw right here, I didn't even need the 2 cups of water right here. It's pretty much based on the size of your bottle. But look at, oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is pretty much equivalent to my iconic London setting spray. And look at that, I just created my very own dupe right here, if not better. So my loves, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed this do-it-yourself video, give it a huge thumbs up. It really helps my channel a lot. Let me know if you want to see more content like this. This is Jazz with Jazz Up My Style. Till next time, y'all, spread love. Peace.